There's nothing worse than cold pizza, and during the 1980s, Domino's was thinking this hyper-efficient aero motoring marvel could be the future of pizza delivery. Called the Tritan A2, the three-wheeler was manufactured in 1985 by Tritan Ventures of Ann Arbor, Michigan. Domino's Pizza, also headquartered there, ordered 10 for a pilot program at a cost of around $15,000 each. The aerodynamic body shell is made from fiberglass, and this large rear hoop is intended to increase stability and, under certain conditions, actually act as a sail, helping to push the car forward. The vehicle weighs right around 900 pounds and is powered by a 30 horsepower rotary air-cooled engine. With these slippery looks and extremely low coefficient of drag, the vehicle achieves nearly 80 miles to the gallon with a top speed of almost 90 miles per hour. There are no doors, so access to the interior is gained through this sliding canopy. Inside, there's room for one with pizza storage behind the seat. Interesting enough, during testing, a small oven was actually installed here, helping to keep orders piping hot while in transit. With all that warmth, the windows don't go down, but there is some air circulation thanks to a small blower motor. In the summer of 1985, several of these eye-catching vehicles toured the country, testing their real-world viability, and with the wild look, certainly dishing out some serious promotion for the pizza franchise. Sadly, the dream didn't materialize, with Tritan running out of funding, leading Domino's to fold the program in 1986, selling the cars soon thereafter. Now here at Mecum, Las Vegas, car number 5 of the run is crossing the auction block with just 159 miles on the odometer. It is a surefire conversation starter and a very unique slice of automotive and pizza delivery history.